What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got a single cab all the way from Hereford, Texas. Another one in for sunroof install, brand new sunroof, the Chinese version ones. They just dropped it off. We're gonna go ahead and put a brand new sunroof in it. Got it sitting right there. We're gonna do a black suede. Black out the top part of his headliner along with his two pillars. So when he opens it up, everything's gonna be blacked out. Check it out. Nice, clean. Single cab. This thing is nice. Taking off the headliner. Alright. We're gonna tag team that. Me and my brother are gonna tag team this one. Get it out. We're gonna jump onto this car. I've been doing some body work here, the roof, body work, and the rear bumper. So we're gonna end up spraying the whole back bumper, the roof, the quarter panel, along with the rear passenger door. So we'll end up spraying this whole thing here along with the pillar all the way down to there. We'll mask off the whole car. I've had this car here for about 3 weeks, been doing work to it. We did the blackout headliner. We blacked out all his plastics, painted everything inside. Everything inside is painted black and black suede. We took it to get it windows tinted. So all we have left is just to touch up these little areas here, wet sand it, and then we'll mask it off, spray it, clear it, and it should be ready for tomorrow pickup. Alright guys, we got the sunroof installed, powered up. I just finished the headliner, wrapping it in black suede. Check it out. It's already cut out for the sunroof underneath. This thing looks badass. Nice and clean. And they are offering now, these used to come with the mesh. Now they're offering them up with a fully blackout sun visor, which they were like the Wabastos, fully blackout. So I think that's better like that, fully blacked out. There she is, ready for the headliner. She's almost done. Alright guys, install's done. Quick and easy on these new sunroofs. Look at that new shade. Instead of the mesh, completely blocked out. Real good. Clean. Everything blacked out. Pillars. Got the button right there in the center. Black suede, black pillars, top consoles. Came out real good. I like this blackout. All right, another one done. Call a customer up.